Hello, hello, good morning. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, good morning, everyone. What time is it? 9:14. 9:14, let's wait another 10 seconds and then we can start because some people might be joining at 9:15. All right, you guys got the email I sent yesterday? I hope so. Very important email. If you didn't look at the email, make sure you go to your mailbox and check the email. All right? Okay. So let's do this. Different as we saw yesterday, now you see, guys, today that we have balance. You guys remember that yesterday it was only puts. It was super hard to trade because the market was already melting. It was crazy. And we only had puts here. So it was impossible to create a trading plan. Today is a little bit more, it's easier because we have puts and calls, and then we actually have levels here. All right. So take a look on this thing here. VIX is going up for no, yeah, let's do like this. Yeah, in the end of the day, VIX is going up. Now those numbers here is now is where we are now. Okay, the VIX now, the price that the VIX is now. All right. LC is last closing, so it moved 23.39 since the last closing. All right. Live is the percentage that VIX is changing since the last close, right? And open New York is the percentage VIX is going to change since New York open session, all right, guys? So that is how you read this thing. So in the end of the day, VIX is kind of consolidating this level, but it's going up. And by the way, the consolidation here, we have to be very smart because you see, VIX is not like in 1 week, everything changed. And VIX is not trading around 3%, 5%, 2% anymore. You guys remember that? Like 2 weeks ago, we were trading like a VIX 2%, 5%, 8%. It was already huge. 10% was moving a lot. Now we are talking about 32 or something like that, right? VIX was trading on 17, I remember, 20, and the percentage changing was like 2, 3, 4, 5% a day. Now it's much more. So you have to be careful when we say VIX is consolidating, because the consolidation here is actually a lot of movements, all right? It's a big movement in the consolidation here. And that's why, because the volatility is super high. All right, so we're gonna see bigger movements, all right? But we can say that we are having this consolidation right now, right here. Okay, let me open this thing a little bit more. We are having this consolidation. But the consolidation, what we call consolidation right now is is around 50 points, right? Before the consolidation would be around 20, 15. Now the consolidation is around 50 points, which is not so bad because yesterday the consolidation range was around 100 points. So it's getting a little bit better, all right? Okay, now let's talk about the trading plan. When I say bullish, bearish, and by the way, the trading plan should be here or is already here, all right? On the trading plan, I show you guys that yesterday the Japanese stocks and all the companies were red, right? It was like bleeding the market, right? Now today, all the companies in Japan are already green, and all the companies in the United States are red. So what we can expect by a pattern is that the companies on the United States recover a little bit following the movement that we are seeing in Japan. All right, take a look on the trading plan. And again, trigger for you guys to check the trade, because sometimes you have the trading plan, you know that, okay, if we break 250, we're gonna go after 260, but when Now you guys can use this one, volume momentum, all right? The volume momentum I sent on your email yesterday. If you have everything on the red area, you sell. If you have both on the blue, on the green area, you buy. All right, guys. To add this one on your chart, all you have to do is go to the last one. That's the one, volume momentum. Okay. All right. Now, when I say bullish market, what I mean is VIX is going down. We have blue DDF, and DDF charts. You have the puts above 60%. Oh, sorry, the calls above 60%. That's bullish. We are bullish. If we are on the flip area, if we are around this 50, 55, we are not really bullish, right? To understand that we are bullish, you need to see one, VIX going down. Two, we are trading on a blue area here. Three, we are trading on a blue area here, SPX and triple Q. And four, we have the calls on DDF charts above 60%, right? On SPO levels. You can choose here, but we're gonna choose SPO levels, all right? Okay, that's gonna be a bullish market. When you have a bullish market, you have a target up like this. For example, we have our target up, and then you have the momentum on buy. That's our cue to take the trade. All right. So take a look on the market plan, on the not market, sorry, on the trading plan. All right. If we break, I guess 250, something like that. If we break 250. Wait, for some reason we don't have the targets on SPX yet. We should have. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you guys about the levels on SPX. All right. So for example, if we break 250, all right, you have, that's bullish. You have blue DDF above 60%, VIX going down. Then when you have the green here, we're gonna check the trade towards the first target, right? If I have any analyst listen to me, I need the targets on SPX. Okay. Now, if the market's going down, it's bearish. You will see red DDF here, puts above 60%, VIX going up. Then you wait for the sell signal and you take trades towards the targets below. All right. Now, this trading plan, we did this trading plan half an hour ago, around half an hour ago. And the market was here when we were doing the trading plan, and actually is already getting very close to the bear target number one. All right. So keep your eyes open because we might have a chance to open the market and we go boom, 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 all the targets on bear. Okay. So again, you have the targets, bull target 1, 2, 3, bear target 1, 2, 3. When do you take the trades? To take up a trade down, you need to see red DDF, puts above 60%, VIX going up because it's against the movement. And then when you have the sell signal here, you might be taking the trade. All right, guys? Okay. When you take the long trade, when you have blue DDF, calls above 60%, VIX going down, and then you have the buy signal here. We're gonna check the trades towards the first target or second or whatever it is on the upside. All right, guys, okay? The levels that we have here is, listen, 215 is the biggest bar of the day. And we are already on 210. We are a little bit below this bar. So I'm very sure like it's more likely we're gonna reach 200 when we open, right? It's very, very likely to reach 200 when we open. Give up a push on 200. If the market is gonna be down, we're gonna break 200 and we're gonna keep going. But there is a chance that we're gonna touch the 200 and then bounce back to 215 very fast. All right. Okay, now 215 is the biggest bar of the day. It is a very, very important level, but the most important level of the day is 275. And why is that? Because this level is going to tell us if we are bearish or bullish. As long as we are trading below 275, we are still bearish. We are on a bearish market. When we break 275 and start trading down, up, and we break the 300, it's like we are recovering the bullish strength, all right? So 275 is a level that we need to break to understand that we might be really going bullish, okay? Now, what might happen? We might see the market bouncing on 200 if we are bullish. Market might be bouncing on 200, breaking the 215, breaking the 250, go all the way to 275 and bounce here on 275. If we bounce here and we break down to 50, we might be trading back to 200, all right? Again, if we're gonna go up all the way to 275, it's possible because we have a huge volatility. If we break 275, all right, and we bounce here, no break, bounce here, but after the bounce, we break 250, we might be trading back to 200. And why is that? Because 275 is going to tell us if we're going to be bullish or not. If we break, okay, we might be bullish. If we don't break here, it's a fail breakout, means that we are rejecting this level and we are actually going bearish again. So if we reject 275 and break 250, we might be trading back to 200. All right, guys. Now, if we break 75 and we break and keep going up, then 300 is the target, and then 310 to 315. All right. Okay. I guess that's it. You guys have all the levels here, all the important levels, all the levels that we need to break to keep going. All right. And again, sometimes you say, I know that when we break one level, we're going to go to the next one, but I don't know when to take the trade. Use the volume and momentum indicator to tell you when you should be taking the trades. All right, guys. I will be on Discord with you guys. And I will be on Discord. That's all right, guys. It doesn't matter. Like, it's going to start working in a few minutes. I will be on Discord. Let me reload to see. I will be on Discord with you guys. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is what this indicator is telling us right now, okay? And then I have all the levels here on SPX, all the levels here on ES, all the levels here on NQ. Awesome, that's great. And everything's working. All right, guys, okay? All right, guys, I guess I see you guys later on Discord, and we keep talking. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.